3 points is being brought to you by Red Wings. Domingo bukas sa loob ng barangay. Ito na, shot! Open last na good. Tama ni Domingo. Shot! That's it. Para dito may Domingo. Gaya, pass to Nicolas. Nicolas send away pass to Domingo, shot, too short. Ganya, pass to Nicolas. Nicolas, hoy, naging kakalaro. It's good.
Nice layup, Nicolas. Boost look.
Domingo, pass to Carpio. Carpio from the arc. No, rebound by Velasco, 100. Nagel, shot, it's good. Para dito kay
15-12 lamang yung MG. Nagkabol ng tatlo tong team Lumbad. 12 Lumbad, 15 MG. Lamang ang may dalang bola. 3 point po ang kalamangan.
Domingo, pass to Hernandez. Hernandez, pass to Fabio. Fabio kan wala bakalas. James pinigay Velasco. Velasco, Domingo, pass. Save ball, 8 seconds to go. 8 seconds to shoot. Remaining time is 12 minutes and 34 seconds for our first quarter. And now, shot 3.
3
point shot by
Dosi. Lamang na
Ganya, Basto, Francisco. Tumeler, kahit hindi kasi Tumeler. Una Tumeler of the glass. No goal. Rimo by Hernandez. Domingo, ang likod Tom and Jerry. Rimo by Berer. Taho ni Carpio. To the left hand, it's good. Abate, ang walo, ang NJBC. Berer, shot! Good. Rebound by Carpio, pass to Fabio, Benjo, of the glass, it's good. Abate na nasa po.
Kampo na, 22-12.
Gobela up. Down. Who's ball? Jersey number 420. First personal foul, 17th foul.
lamang ng sampo yung
ABC. Rebound by Carpio, pass to Benjo. Nicolas, sabi niya dulu. Hindi siya pinakalat na ako yung warning Nicolas pa rin. Nicolas,
$14-25 lamang pa rin ang
MJBC. By MJBC. Domingo, pass to Carpio. Back to Domingo, pass to Carpio. Carpio gumamit ng paanda. Hindi siya pinalala. Velasco Ganya, pass to Berer, Lays with the left hand.
Palitan na ng putok. Ang putok kilit mo. 3 point na naman.
By the NJBC, Nicolas, kumasa sa loob. Sikot lang yun. Ito na. Si Domingo. Nagagawa mo sa pass to Hernandez. To Carpio. What's the play? Too strong. Rebound by Benjo. Shot. Rebound by Ganya. Pass to Francisco. It's good. Carpio. Masyado nagmamadali. Shot. Nagmamadali ka ba? Hernandez. Tikoy.
Tikoy na.
Bomb. Shot. Left hand. No. Rebound by Tikoy. Pass to Domingo to Benjo. Nagalaman siya, ha? Pass to Captain Hook Velasco. Tikoy.